Hello people, welcome back to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Yes, another day, another walk, you know it. Good old Stockholm, central station in front of us, and I don't know what's wrong with my voice, but it sounds a bit like this. It sounds a bit like I smoke 40 cigarettes a day. But I've never smoked a cigarette in my life, so I don't know what's happening. Yeah, sometimes when I talk too much, it almost sounds like I'm losing my voice. But let's just say I'm sounding sexier today. Let's just pretend that's the case. So let's go for a walk, all good. Central station over there. Stockholm City Hall on that side. It was raining for the last few days. But now finally it stopped raining and the sun is making a comeback, so that's nice. It's full tourist season right now, and while I'm talking, it's actually the sun is like shining in my neck, really nice. Anyways, where are we going? Not really sure. Let's just go this way here. Let's see where we end up. It's gonna be a classic downtown walk. Oh, nice. I'm actually surprised by the weather because it was raining all morning, and I was like, all right, I forgot my umbrella. Well, let's do a rainy walk. But then suddenly it changed, so. Some Stockholm celebrities, pigeons. They're all over the place. And they're not shy. They try to steal your food wherever you are. Yeah, it's a classic sight right now. Tourists wandering around the streets of Stockholm, especially in this street, because there's like hotels all along. So yeah, it's nice. Well, if you're just here for 2 days, you didn't pick the right days, because the last 2 days it was just raining non-stop. Sorry, I forgot to say which street it is. We're on Vasagatan. Let's press the button here. Ooh, talks to me. Nice. Yeah, I see a lot of suitcases and, just people trying to find their way around Stockholm, which is not that easy, not that hard. It's quite easy, I would say. Let's go here. Let's walk up to Drottninggatan a bit. It is Sunday today. Probably this video will be out tomorrow. So sorry for a few days of no walking. Well, it was partly because my voice sounds like this, but also because it was raining and I was doing some other stuff. Tomorrow I'm meeting up with Stuart, so that's great. Meeting subscribers is always good fun. So yeah, probably gonna have a coffee or something, or it will be nice. But now still walking around by myself. Probably meet Olof as well. Somewhere this next week. What is it today? Sunday. I just said it. Yeah. Probably also Monday or Tuesday. I can ask if he can make it tomorrow, actually. Now I think about it. Well, tomorrow is today, because probably this video will be up today. But that's good, because that means I don't really have to rush tomorrow. It's quite nice if I have it one day in advance. Oh, this is nice. Check out the clock there on the arch. This is called Klara Norra Kyrkogatan. All right. Now actually, let's go this way. Let's walk towards the church. They do a lot of charity work here, giving back to the community in that church, so yeah, that's great. A lot of work with homeless people, and I think they helped some immigrants as well. Humanity, what it is great, so it's good that there's people that still care. Actually, a lot of people care. Sometimes some people make you believe like nobody cares about anything nowadays. I don't think that's true. I think there's a lot of people who care about other people, even strangers. But sometimes because of social media and things like that, society has become a bit more individualistic, definitely. So it's maybe less than it was 100 years ago, whatever, but there's still a lot of people care. So yeah, I think it's quite important to realize that. All right, so here we've got the tram line. This is the tram line that goes to Djurgården here. Tram 7. So if you're a tourist and you arrive at Central Station, and you want to go to, let's say, Skansen, Gröna Lund, or any of the other museums, you take the tram here across the street. That one, to be more precise. And then you go that way. You can even go out, if you're very lazy, you can go out Kungsträdgården, which is just like 500 meters that way. But yeah, if you don't feel like walking, which is never me. I sometimes even walk too much, right? I sometimes, even like in my life outside of YouTube, when I go out to meet a friend, I usually go out one station early and I walk the last 20 minutes. I don't even know why I do that. Because I get so tired sometimes, it's just like wired in my brain. Walk, 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 walk everywhere. I don't own a car either, so yeah, I walk, even in Sollentuna or wherever I am. So it's Sunday, Drottninggatan, which is normally means extremely busy. But because it's been raining all morning, it's probably not even that bad. It's still quite busy, as you can see. But it's not like, over the top kind of thing. So yeah, it's nothing too shocking. But still, for Stockholm standards, very busy, if that makes sense. We've got Systembolaget here, Hemshop. A lot of shops. H&M, I think just this street has like 3 H&Ms. It's pretty crazy. So you got the entrance here, you can go down to Central Station here. Oh, I don't know what happened here. Oh, there's one of those big billboards, but maybe, I don't know, maybe someone crossed the glass or they're just replacing it. It's quite fun if you look up here. You see a lot of like plants climbing up the, the building there. It's nice. Actually, it's still quite busy, I must say, but not as much as if it would be super sunny. Like this street is always busy and is the busiest street of Stockholm by far. To be honest, I don't even know why. I think it's just the location, right? Because it's not that fantastic. I mean, there's cool shops and all that, but it's not like, wow, this is the coolest ever. But you know how it goes. People attract people. So it's basically what you do is you just walk up and you walk down again. That's how it goes. I think every city has one of these streets, right? It's one of those super busy streets where you got all the main shops and the malls and that kind of stuff. A lot of young people just like to wander around and, I don't know, look at other people. But that's basically why you are watching this video as well, because people just love watching people, don't they? So do I. I can just sit on the bench and just watch people. It's fun, I think. I've got MediaMarkt, classic German chain of electronic stores. Stadium, the most well-known sports chain here in Sweden, and I guess in the north as well. For the Dutch people that watch, it's a bit like Actiesport or Intersport, like something like that. So yeah, let's have a look at Hötorget, because I think there might be a flea market today again, which is usually every Sunday. Not usually every Sunday, it is every Sunday. So if it's not today, then I don't know why. People having a good time. By the way, the temperature is quite nice. I would say it's like 22 degrees, so although it's a bit wet and cloudy and all that, it's still pretty nice. It's comfortable. I'm wearing shorts and t-shirt, so. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go up here to the right to the Haymarket, Hötorget, and then I will go over Sergelgatan, which is being known for being Stockholm's, well, one of Stockholm's ugliest streets, because it's a never-ending story. They've been building for like since always, and it's just very corporate. So here they're handing out cans of Pepsi. No, sorry, don't like Pepsi. I also have to take a right here because they're playing copyright music. And YouTube does not like copyright music at all, so I have to keep on talking. Here they got nice kebabs. It's called Kebab House, quite popular. It's not really a tourist trap because it ain't that expensive. It's really reasonable price. For like 99 or whatever, you can get a menu. I still remember it was 69, but hey, you know, things change, so yeah, but still, compared to the kebabs and stuff in the suburb, it's not that bad. Oh, there's another copyright music. And unfortunately, I've seen most of the people at the flea market has disappeared already. And why? Because they didn't have a tent like these people. So as you can see here, these people got one of those party tents, but the other people that were located here, they did not have that. So yeah. So over there we've got the concert hall, the big blue building with the pillars. Here we've got the cinema that you've seen a few times already in some of my videos. I've done a separate video on this flea market a few months back, so we should go to my channel and just search for flea market, check it out. So we're not gonna go too deep into it right now, but they have some good stuff sometimes, and sometimes just rubbish. So let's go over there to the flea market. Not the flea market. I am on the flea market, people. Come on, Daniel, focus. Let's go to Sergelgatan and let's check out the fountain at the end of it. Ooh, there's a new Indiana Jones movie. Wait a second. Isn't Indiana Jones like 70 years old now? This is crazy. I mean, I remember when I was a child, like literally very small, like 7 years old, like 1987, Indiana Jones was a thing. It's 2023. That's impressive. So the thing is it still gonna be good? Because can you remind me the name of this actor who plays Indiana Jones? Is it Harrison Ford? I don't know, but anyway, you know, it's a bit like the same feeling I got when they're doing new movies of like, I don't know, let's say Arnold Schwarzenegger or Rocky Balboa, you know, those kind of guys from that generation. I'm like, dude, these guys are 70, like. But, you know, it's not hard, it's not easy, it's not easy to know when enough is enough, right? Like you see the same thing with people in charge of things, people with power, like politicians, CEOs, just people high up there. They never know when it's enough. They're like regular people. We're like, oh, I'm 62, I'm done. Like I've worked since I was 19, I'm 62 now, I just want to retire. But no, people with power, they're like, nah, I'm just gonna continue until I'm 92. So it's weird because if you just have a regular job and you're 70, everyone goes like, oh, you're too old, you're too slow or whatever. But the people like in charge of the big companies, and you know who I mean. I'm not gonna say names because then it becomes so political. But just in general, people with power, they just never give up, which I don't really like, because sometimes to keep things going, you need some energy, right? Some young, like, so yeah. And no, I'm not saying old people are shit. There's always gonna be, stop hating on old people. That's not what I'm doing. It was just a thought I had. All right, the fountain. Yay. So today gonna be a bit short video, so I'll round it up pretty soon. I'll walk up here to the fountain, then I'll have a quick look on Sergel's toy, and that's it for today. I actually wanted to do a part 3 of the oh, she had a key to that thing. Anyway, a part 3 of my mega walk. But yeah, it was rainy, so I was like, yeah, you know, there has to be a good weather walk, right? Otherwise I'm getting bored. See, this is tram line 7 to Central Station. Let's wave at the driver. No, he's not waving back. He's a party pooper. Boring. I don't like that person. If someone waves at you, always have to wave back. Maybe he didn't see me. He let me hang there. Oh, not good, not good. All right, let's cross the street here. I'm just joking, of course. He didn't even see me. All right, let's cross here. Sorry, red light. Apologize. Alrighty, so does someone has seen that Indiana Jones movie? Because in this case, let me know if it's any good. Because I do have good nostalgic feelings when it comes to Indiana Jones, so yeah. Alright, Sergel's toy. Nice. Got the city theater. A lot of people chilling. Alright, let's walk back over there, and then I'm gonna round up today's video. Nice and short. Just to get back into the groove here from Stockholm. Hope you're enjoying it. I didn't even say hi to the chat gang yet because I'm too busy talking rubbish. Sorry, chat gang. What's up? I hope you're doing great. Special thanks and hi to the members of this channel. You know who you are. I really appreciate the support. And also for the people sending me Ko-fis. If you don't know what a Ko-fi is, it's like a digital gift. So you basically give me $3, right, to support the channel. I'll link in the link is in the description if you want to support the channel. So it's basically you buy someone a coffee, you know, as a gesture. It's quite a nice function, I would say. I've used it to support other people as well. It's quite nice. But sometimes you just really enjoy it, you know. It's nice. All right. So I think I'm gonna go back into the station here at Sergel's toy, aka Platan. It's almost like the platter. Sounds like the platter. The flat thing here. All right. A few guys playing volleyball. That's quite funny. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. I give you a thumbs up. Please leave me a thumbs up as well. And I see you on the next adventure. Bye bye.